Good morning. Sorry for the echo, but we're on location today here in the bathroom. You all know what one of these is. It's a bog standard toilet brush. This one's brand new, never been used. Its predecessor got broken, so we had to rush out and buy the first thing that was available. Just as well we never actually needed to use it. However, it doesn't look that interesting or well, anything really, does it? However, how about one of these? Nope, it's not an overgrown cherry. It really is a toilet brush. No guesses for where it came from. eBay. Cost just under a £5, including delivery. Several sellers of them. You can either buy it as a cherry, which this one is, or an apple. The apple one is obviously all green. As always, thanks for watching, and if you'd like to support the channel, please buy me a coffee.